Hi, my name is Ramakrishna. I am MS Office, Advanced Excel and Soft Skills Trainer. Today we will learn about desktop and the parts. Okay, right. So, so as soon as we start the computer, the first screen that appears is what the desktop. Okay, so this screen is known as what desktop. Here, three parts will be there. Number one, background, where we apply the wallpaper, and these are the icons, and the third part is taskbar. So background, icons and taskbar. So what is the use of this background? So this is just like our wall. So as we decorate the wall with the wallpaper, in the same way we are applying a wallpaper to decorate our background, desktop background. So how to change the wallpaper? Let us see. So just right click on the blank area of the desktop anywhere, but not on the icons. Okay, anywhere in the blank area, just right click, means press the right mouse button once. So whenever we press the right mouse button, it will displays the shortcut menu. So this menu is known as shortcut menu. So here what we have to do, we have to go to the personalize command. Just click this command. So here this is the personalization window. Here what we have to do, just as of now this is the title bar. If you want to change the if you want to change the wallpaper, so this is the wallpaper as of now. If you want to change the wallpaper, just go to background. Here some of the wallpapers are there, so whichever the wallpaper you like to have on the desktop background, just click on it. So it has been selected and applied also. If you want to view whether it is changed or not, just either click the minimize button or click the close button. See, it has been changed. Okay, so in this way we can change the wallpaper. Next, what we will learn, icons. So all these small sized pictures are small size images are icons. So there are four types of icons are there generally. So number one, program icons. Number two, file icons. Number three, folder icons. And number fourth is shortcut icons. So let us understand what are these icons, how they will appear and how they work. All right. So the first type of icon is what? Program icon. So how to identify the program icon and where can we have these program icons? Let us see. So whatever the programs we install on the computer, all those programs will be in the start menu. So if you click the start button, so this is what the start button, and this is the start this is the taskbar, and this is the start button. Just click this button. Just click this button and here you will see all apps. What is there here? All apps is there. If you just click it, you will see all the programs that are installed on this computer are in the alphabetical order. Okay, so E means Excel. Okay, in the same way, if you go to bottom here, see W means Word. In that way, all the programs will be in the alphabetical order. So whichever the program you want, just click it. However, we are learning about here the shape of the, okay, the structure of the program icons. See, as we are, most of us are familiar with the Word program, is it not? So Word program logo appears like this, but when you create a file in this program, it will appear like this. So this is the program icon and this is the file icon. So with the help of program, what we will do, see, I am starting this program, maximize it. Here I am clicking the blank document. So here what I will do, I will just type something. I will type my name. Okay, Ramakrishna Ramadandi. Done. So now what I will do, I will save this file. I will click this save button and I will save this file on desktop. Go to browse desktop. Here I'm typing, I'm giving the same name, Ramakrishna Brahmadandi. I will click save button. Okay, now you see here Ramakrishna Brahmadandi, we can see this file on the desktop. Done. So see, the program icon will be like this and file icon will be like this. So in this way we can differentiate. So program icon allows us to create the files. So what is a file then? File contain information. Okay, see in this file what is there? Information is there, right? So of course I typed some text, some name. Okay, there may be some other data also. So file contain information. So what is information? Information can be text, image, sound or music, videos, animation, etc. So all these, what, anything, all of this or anything can be, or one or two of these can be what? Information. Is it clear? So these were the information. So in every file, what will be there? Information will be there. In some files, text will be there. In some files, images will be there. Means photos. In some files, music or songs will be there. In some files, what videos will be there? Movies will be there. In some files, animation will be there. So all this is what? Information. So I hope you got an understanding about what is a program and what is a file. Next, we will see about the third type of icon is what? Folders. So folder is what? It is just like a container. Okay. So in the containers, what we will do? We will store some products or items. Is it not? But in the computer, what we will do? We will store the files, folders. Means what? All types of icons we can store in a folder. Okay, so we used to create the folders for the purpose of segregating our files. Okay, our in our office, or it can be our personal files, it can be the office files. There may be different types of files will be there. Okay, so in our office, if we take an example of our office, what will be there? Some documents will be there, and some event photographs or videos will be there. Okay, so and some folders will be related to purchases and some sales, some banking, some transportation. Such different types of files will be there. Is it not? So if we store all these files in a single folder, it will the list will be large and it will be very difficult for us to locate for a specific file. So in case if we store these files in separate folders, then it will be easy for us to pick up the file that we want. So let us see how to create the folders. Okay, so now we got an understanding about how, what is the purpose of using or creating the folders. Now go to the blank area of desktop. Okay, right click. Here you see new. Here you see like folder. Okay, so I'm just typing a name like Rama. Okay, or office files. Right, entry key. Okay, so when you open it, you see here what can you do? You can create some more folders. I will show you that. Okay, here I'm having an example. So here 829 batch, this folder is there. See in this civil cases, documents, family cases and movies, photos, my personal files. Such I have created different folders so that I can easily segregate the files. So whenever I want to view the photos, what I will do, I will open this photos folder, that's all. And what are the photos are there, only that will be visible. I can work with that only and none other files will disturb me. Okay, there are other types of files are also there, no? So this makes my work faster and efficient. All right, so definitely we should use the folders wherever, whenever required, means as required. Done. So this is the purpose of using or creating the folder. And the now fourth type of icon is what? Shortcut icon. So how to identify the shortcut icon? Here you see some of the icons are having some arrows. See, is it not? Some of the icons are having arrows. This means these are the shortcut icons. So what is the purpose of shortcut icon? You see, Adobe Acrobat, this shortcut is there here, but in fact this this is not the original file. Okay, so actually see, it is showing the path here. Okay, location Acrobat C colon program files slash Adobe slash Acrobat DC, then Acrobat. This means this file location is existing in this folder. Where? In C drive. Okay, program files folder is there. In program files folder, Adobe folder is there. In Adobe folder, Acrobat DC folder is there. And in degree and Acrobat DC folder, Acrobat folder is there. In that folder, this file is there. So whenever I want to open this file, what I have to do? I have to go across all this folder, which will waste my time, is it not? And I will be tired, and my efficiency may be decrease if I get tired. So that's why what I will do, I will create the shortcut. I will show you an example how to create the shortcut to any icon. So let us go back to this 8 to 9 batch, double click here. 9 to 10 batch, double click here. Divya folder is there, and here Excel. Okay, in Excel there are no files. Okay, PowerPoint, no files. Okay, I will take from here. So I will take this, what, Divya Rani file. So I want to create a shortcut to this file on the desktop. Okay, so in order to open this file, what I did, I opened this folder, then after this folder, then after this folder, then I had to search for this file, then I had to open this file. So it is long process or not? So when you are using this file every day regularly, so it would be fine if you create the shortcut on the desktop. Okay, so as soon as you start the computer, where we will be placed? On the desktop only. So that file will be waiting for us. So we can easily open that file easily, right? So now what I will do, I will create shortcut to this icon on the desktop. So for that, what I have to do, I have to right click on this file. So here you should see any create shortcut is there? No. So what I will do, I will go to show more options. Here click send to. Here desktop create shortcut. Okay, so if you click this desktop create shortcut, what will happen? This file shortcut icon will be created on the desktop. So let us go to the desktop, right? So see here, Divya Rani shortcut it is showing, and it is having the arrow also. See to this file, any arrow is there? Okay, no arrow is there. I will increase the icon size. See, any arrow is there to this file? No arrow is there. But to this shortcut icon, arrow is there. So how much size it is occupying on the disk? I will right click on this icon and I will click properties. Okay, and I will go to general tab. Here we can see the size of this icon is what? 1.94 KB. This much of size is occupied by this file on our hard disk. Now I will go to Divya files. Here I will right click on this file and I will see the properties. Okay, I will minimize this folder window so that I can view both of these properties, right? See, this is what Divyarani shortcut. It occupied 1.94 KB and Divyarani original file occupied 12.6 KB. This means how many times? 12 times. Okay, so that much of space occupied by what? Our original file. Okay, of course, sometimes our file may consist of in MBs also, larger file. So at that time also it occupies only the small amount of space, only to remember the location. Okay, so hereafter, what we will do? Whatever the files we are using frequently, what can we do? We can create the shortcut on the desktop. See, not only you can create the shortcut for files, but also programs, folders. Okay, also done. Okay, so but most of the people, what they used to do, instead of creating the shortcut, they used to copy the file. Okay, who will come up to here, right? So let us copy the file. In this way they think, the what they will do, they will copy this file or they may move this file. Okay, so but this file has to be here only. Unnecessarily, for our convenience, we are moving it to the desktop. Okay, so this is not the right practice. So what should we do? We should create the shortcut on the desktop. I hope you got an understanding about what the four types of icons. Done? If you have any doubts, please enter in the comments. Okay, right, I will reply. Okay, or you can just reverse it and you can replay. Right, you can replay the video, or you can go back or go forward. Done? Okay. Now, after desktop and icons, we will learn about what the taskbar. So this taskbar always appears on the top. Top means what? Whatever the files or folders you may open, always this taskbar appears. Okay, done. So what is the purpose of taskbar? Task means job, means pending work. So whatever the programs we are opening, okay, it can be the file. Okay, so this is the file is open. I'm opening PowerPoint program, then I'm opening Excel program. So here it is showing, see, under each program which is open, one underline is there. This means these are the programs that are opened. See how many programs are opened? One, two, three, four programs are open. Okay, so in this way, we will know that these are the open programs. Is it clear? So that is the purpose of task. Suppose in case, imagine if there is no taskbar, then how do we know that what are the programs are currently working, currently open? So this help us to know the programs that are open. And second thing is what are the programs are opened. And third thing is what, you can use other means what, shortcuts also. Okay, see, you can use the browser, you can use the folder, means file explorer. Okay, you can start other programs also, and here you can know, okay, date and time. So all that we will learn in the order. Okay, so the first thing is there, what is there on the taskbar? Start button. So this button is known as start button. So some people used to call Windows button, so never call it as Windows button. Of course it is in the shape of window, okay, but it is not the Windows button, it is the start button. So when you click the start button, why it is named as start button? Why? Because in our computer, whatever the things we want to do, it can be the programs, files, folders, shortcuts, okay, any settings, printers, internet, not this or that, whatever it can be. So all that can be accessed from start menu. So that's why that name is that button's name is given as start. Okay, I hope you understand why that name is given to that. So when you click the start button, this menu is appeared. Okay, what is there here? On the top, search box is there. So what it is asking for? You can search for applications, means software or programs. Settings you can make, you can search for the documents. Suppose if I type word, WORD, so it is showing I need not to go about the all apps. Okay, I need not to go about the all apps. Okay, just I can simply type it here and I will press the enter key to start that program. First thing. Second thing is what? Pinned. So these are the frequently used programs, so that's why it is pinned. Suppose if you use more number of times, if you use PowerPoint more number of times, then automatically it will be pinned here. Okay, so if you use some other program more number of times, that will be pinned here, so that you can click the start button and you can start uh, the program easily. Okay, and one more option is there, how to pin. So automatically it will be pinned some programs, and we can also pin the program. So how to pin these programs, let us see. See here, Word and PowerPoint program is there, but there is no Excel program. If you want to pin Excel program, what I will do, I will type Excel here and I will right click on this icon and I will click pin to start. See, it is on taskbar it is pinned, that's why it is striked out. See, on the taskbar it is pinned, that's why it is striked out. So in the start menu it is not pinned. If I click this button, you see, reopen the start button. Here you will see, in this is the first screen, here second screen is there. When you click this button, you will see the excel button also, excel program button also. So in this way, in the start menu itself, you can what, you can pin it. So whenever you click the start button, it will be appeared and you can easily click to start. Okay, so one is you can search and you can start the program from the pinned programs. Is it clear? And these are the recommended. Most frequently, whatever the programs or files you use, it will appear here. If you click more button, okay, it will show more number of files which you used frequently. These are the files. So click back button. That's all. And what is this? If you click this button, it will show you the notification. Okay, if you want to change the account settings, or if you want to lock the screen, okay, or if you want to sign out from this user, all that you can do with from here, right? And what is this? Sign in options, sleep, shutdown, restart. What is the sleep? Suppose you are going for the lunch. Okay, so till then, if you leave the computer like this, means what? Unnecessarily the power will go waste. Okay, right? So you can make it sleep so that power will be saved. Keep the um, if you keep the computer in sleep. So if you click shutdown, what happens when you finish off your work? Then definitely what will you do? You will shut down the computer. Is it not? That's what. Restart means what? Suppose your system hanged up. Okay, your system is hanged. This can be the reason. Or suppose you install some software and you want to make it set. Then what will you do? Some software, what they require, they need to set. Okay, they need to set. So unless you restart it, it cannot set. All right, so do not leave the software as soon as you miss what, after the installation. Okay, so you must restart it if you want to make it work properly, right? And next is what, here all apps. So here already we learned, okay, all the whatever the programs we installed on our computer, all the programs will be listed in the alphabetical order. Okay, so this is all about what, the start button and the start menu. And next is what, search. Okay, you can search from after clicking the start button. So whatever, if you click here, whatever the screen appears, the same screen appears without clicking the start button. Okay, from the taskbar itself you can search. Okay, next folder. If you click this folder, what happens? You can go to any location: desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, okay, D drive, okay, or C drive, or any other drive. Is it clear? In this way, so with the help of this folder, you can go to any location, right? Next is what, browser. So if you want to work on the internet, if you want to search, or if you want to visit any website, you will use this browser. So it is also pinned here. Done. So these are the programs which I pinned for easy accessing. So right, next is what, here mic. Okay, so if I want to use that mic, I will click on it. Done. So here what is there? Here English India. So here one dictionary is running behind the software Windows. So what is that? English India, that dictionary is running. And here is what, internet. So currently my Wi-Fi is turned off. Okay, so that's why it is showing that globe icon, prevent icon. Speaker. Okay, so if you click it, you can control the volume. Okay, and on the other hand, what can you do? You can control the brightness also. Okay, next is what, this is a battery, and this is about six. This is what, icon tray. This location is known as icon tray, and this is what, the date and time area. Okay, so the current time and today's date is showing here. So when you go to the right end of the taskbar, you see show desktop button. So most of the time what we used to do, Suppose here how many programs are open? Here this is 2, here 1 3. Okay, this is what 4 programs are open. So if you want to go to desktop, what you used to do, you will click the minimize button, okay, to go to the desktop, is it not? So here it is 3, sometimes it may be 10 or more. So you have to click, what will you do, you will click that 10 windows minimize button. So instead of wasting our time, what can we do? Suppose these are open, okay, I will open it. If you click this button, what will happen? All the windows open windows will be minimized and you will be on the desktop. Okay, this is the easiest way, is it not? Instead of clicking each window minimize button, just simply click that button, okay, which is existing on the right end of the taskbar. So, and the keyboard shortcut for show desktop is what? Windows key and D. So, where do you see this Windows key and D? We call Windows key as Win key. Okay. When you click here, what I will do, I will type on screen. So when you open on screen keyboard, here you see Win key. This is what the Win key. Just click this button and click this. Sorry, not clicking. Press. So press this button and hold down. Press and hold down this Windows key and press D. So what I will do, I will open some windows. Okay, then only we will understand. No. So it is pressed. Now I will press what? D. Now open, all the open windows will be minimized and we will be on the desktop. Did you see? So this is what the keyboard shortcut. Done. So in this way, what we will do, we will know. Okay, we are knowing, we are getting familiar with all these things. So these are the very basics. Okay, if we know these things, we can work very efficiently, we can make our work more faster. So I hope this video was very useful for you. I think you learned some new things. Okay, so thank you so much. This is the uh, video for today. Okay, so I'm closing this video. So please practice all these things and gain perfection. All the best. Thank you.